In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to set up job post expiration dates on Top Echelon. If you're new to Top Echelon and want to optimize your job postings, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set expiration dates easily, keeping your job postings up to date and relevant without extra effort. Before we dive in, I want to remind you that you can use Top Echelon completely for free with our exclusive bonus offer linked in the description below. Stick around because I'll share how you can get started with this extended free trial at the end of the video. Let's get right into setting up expiration dates for your job posts. In Top Echelon, managing job post expiration is simple and ensures your posts are always fresh and relevant. This feature helps you stay on top of your postings without worrying about outdated job ads cluttering your page. Start by logging into your Top Echelon account and navigating to the Job Posts section. This is where you can view all your active job listings. Once you're here, you'll notice that each listing has an option to set an expiration date. To set the expiration date, click on the job post you want to edit. A detailed view of the job listing will appear. From here, you'll find an option to set the job post expiration. It's typically located in the Settings or Edit section of the job post. Now choose the date and time you want the post to expire. You can pick a specific date, or if you prefer, select a time frame, like 1 or 2 weeks. Setting an expiration date ensures that the job post won't stay visible after a certain period, which is great for avoiding outdated listings on your site. Once you've selected your expiration date, save the changes. The job post will now automatically be removed from your active listings after the expiration date has passed. One key benefit of using this feature is that it prevents job seekers from applying to roles that are no longer available. It keeps your listings relevant and accurate, which is crucial for maintaining a professional image. And because Top Echelon automates this process, you don't have to manually remove posts when they're no longer active. Setting up expiration dates also makes it easier to track how long a post has been active. This can help with your recruitment strategy, as you'll know when to refresh your job posts or adjust your recruiting efforts based on the longevity of the listing. Remember, setting expiration dates isn't just about cleaning up old job posts, it's about keeping your recruitment efforts efficient and your job board looking fresh and up to date. Now, if you're just starting with Top Echelon and wondering how to make the most out of the software, it's important to know that it has many other useful features, including customizable workflows and automatic notifications for job seekers. But knowing how to manage expiration dates is one of the easiest ways to maintain a clean, organized system right from the start. So, to recap, log into your account, navigate to your job posts, select the post you want to edit, choose an expiration date, and save. It's really that simple to keep your job postings fresh and organized. I also want to remind you again that you can get started with Top Echelon completely free through our exclusive link in the description. This extended free trial is the perfect opportunity to explore the software and see how it can help streamline your recruiting process. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the link below for your free trial and let me know if you have any questions.